Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Daniel and I am the team leader for Knowledge Representation and Reasoning project titled History of Pakistan. This project focuses on the technology of semantic web to structure, query, analyze significant events, figures, and milestones in Pakistan history. Some of the important history events are the Lahore Resolution, independence, becoming an Islamic state. As we were three members in our team, the my one of my member Ved focused on RDF graph structure, its visual representation and components of graph, including subject, predicates, and object. And the other member Hussein worked on SparkQL queries, fetched the specific historical data from the RDF graph, and wrote that queries. My role as a team leader was to coordinate the overall project, ensuring the alignment between components and integrate our efforts into a seamless system. The project objectives are to represent history as a graph, use RDF triplets to structure data capturing key events, figures, and relationships, enabling advanced querying, facilitate query history, events, people, region using SparkQL, building educational resource, create a system that helps students to research, explore Pakistan history dynamically, and the graph includes and titles like Pakistan events and provinces. The edges are relationship like has events, start date. Uh, we use SparkQL to retrieve information dynamically, the output and visualization. The graph data is visualized with nodes and edges to represent historical relationship. And now the other members will, will tell you about the further project. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ubaidul Rahman and I am here to present you my KRRR project, which are basically on the history of Pakistan. Using RDF, I construct a graph where nodes represent entities like events, leaders, places, and historical events. And relationships, edges capture the relationship like happened and led by. I source data from historical records formatted into triples. Some information I fetch from old schools, like for example when Pakistan come into being, when Allama Iqbal born, the place he born, etc. uh, then the result is a structured visual representation of Pakistan history, highlighting patterns, relationship, and dependencies. This graph serves as a powerful tool for querying historical data and supporting reasoning tasks. So let's move on to our VS Code screen, where I can show you the code. First of all, I import a library which name as rdflib. This library is used to make the uh, triple uh, triple tuples, in which we use subject, predicate, and objects. So there is the ये वो कोड है या ब्लैंक है जो जिसको मैंने यूज़ किया. There you can see I use the bind function to bind this ex dbpedia. हाँ, dbpedia कुछ नोड्स इसमें ऐसे हैं जिसपे I use dbpedia direct links. Direct links अब मैं क्यों कह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि some let's suppose Allama Iqbal born in Sialkot. If anyone, the node of the Sialkot is redirected with the link of dbpedia. If anyone want to know some knowledge about the history of Sialkot, then it can directly read from dbpedia. बिकॉज ये मैं क्यों किया है, क्योंकि हमारा ग्राफ बहुत छोटा था, मतलब इतना छोटा नहीं है लेकिन हमें लग रहा है कि उसमें इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी कम है, क्योंकि हमने काफ़ी कुछ सोचा हुआ था. तो इस वजह से हमने ग्राफ बनाया. अब देयर आर द कोड विच यू कैन सी अबाउट. आई ऐड नोट्स अबाउट पाकिस्तान. दीज आर सम हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स डेट आई एडिट. फर्दर मोर इसमें फिर मैंने हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स की डिटेल्स ऐड की हैं थोड़ी सी. और इसमें फिर अब एज वी नो पाकिस्तान की जो पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं फेमस, कायद आज़म अल्लामा इकबाल, सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान, उनकी थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स हैं. और ये फिर सारा मैंने ये इनकी डिटेल्स वगैरह ऐड करके अ लिटल मोर टच मैंने मुस्लिम लीग, इंडियन मुस्लिम लीग का भी दिया, क्योंकि दीज आर ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स विच टेक अ पार्ट इन मुस्लिम लीग आल्सो, एक्सेप्ट आई थिंक अल्लामा इकबाल. because Qaid Azam Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan, Liaquat Ali Khan are all the part of Muslim League. So इसका भी थोड़ा सा टच दिया. And furthermore, some provinces of Pakistan, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan. Then I export all this graph into the turtle file, and the turtle file, the code inside the turtle file, I use this code, and here is the website I use, RDF Grapher. I paste that turtle code here, and it export the turtle code to many format like PNG, PDF, GIF, JPG, etc. I use PNG. And next the query point, which जो आपको जो है वो हुसैन बताएंगे इसके बारे में. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hussein Abbas. My part in this project is to write SparkQL queries. As according to this given Tutor code, I have created this Tutor code again in graph form, and according to that graph form, I have created SparkQL queries. In this graph, we have given information about different peoples and different places like provinces of Pakistan and people who contributed in historic event of Pakistan. So I have written some queries to fetch data about different peoples like Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and different provinces. Uh, as you can see in this code, I have first defined the namespace tags in prefix, and then I have written queries. I have first query I have fetched data about. I have written query about to fetch data about Allama Iqbal, his birthplace, date of that date, that place, and other labels like that. And similar to that, I have write query about Liaquat Ali Khan, uh, and then I have written query to fetch data about historic events of Pakistan. In this graph, we have given two or three historic events, which is shown in this query, uh, and you can see the output. In this output, the start date and end date of each historic event is given. Then we have given the data of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and we according to that graph, we have fetched the data about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. I have write query on that to fetch data of his name, title, birth date, and similar like that. That's all. This is my part in this project. Thank you.